got Joanna. We got Katrina. Popping the leg, posing.
Hello, and welcome to the IKEA tour. First up, we have a lovely exposition of this master bedroom featuring a crib. It also comes with a walk-in closet and a bathroom.
Oh, and some cowboy boots.
Yes, those come with the room.
Ooh.
I think they're playing share. It's called the Wait into Stiff Peaks, the best pancakes I've ever made. It takes so much time because you literally.
Those are the super fluffy ones, eh?
Yeah, if you don't have an electric heater, you have to do it by hand, and it literally took me 12 minutes, and I almost do it.
Yo, look how nice this kitchen would be. You will never see me leave this stove. She was literally just talking about finding a chair like this in green, and then we find a chair like this in green. What?
I forgot to save it.
I hate that it's.
I feel like I look short,
You do look short.
but like I'm not short. I'm actually pretty tall.
Maybe I'm just tall.
So basically, we took some Polaroids, some really, really cute Polaroids, and this one is really nice. This is wow. Okay. So we're pretty much done. Just eating ice cream and hot dogs. Yeah. So we're getting ready to go to Serbia and go home. We got plans.
Wow.
Same thing with the tour, we're like 5 minutes away, also 47 minutes away.
Yeah. Wow. Our plants look so good in this lighting.
Oh yeah, they look so good always, because they're good boys.